how to set up your VASL Practitioner Standard.
Hello everybody, Craig Goldberg, Holistic Health Science, and today I'm going to show you the VASL Practitioner Standard setup, using it with the speaker and using it with the headphones. So simply put, your kit is going to come out of the box with the practitioner itself, the bag, the speaker, the headphones. You're going to get two RCA to 3.5 millimeter. RCA are red and white. 3.5 millimeter is like a headphone adapter. You'll get two of those. You're going to get RCA to 3.5 millimeter female, and you're going to get 3.5 millimeter splitter to two 3.5 millimeter female as well. I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to get the custom cable. Mine is a little bit adapted because this is the first VASL standard that we've hardwired. I'm going to show you the wiring for that in a separate video. In this video, I want to focus on how to use the speaker and how to use the headphones with this standard. So on the back of the amplifier, you will see a red and white input. Okay, so we take the music player and we plug in the 3.5 millimeter to the music player. From the music player, we're going to split the signal. One of the signals is going to go into the amplifier. And that's a 3.5 millimeter into the female, and then the red and white RCA into the input on the back. Now we have signal that's going from the music player into the amplifier. Well, we need to get that signal from the amplifier into the practitioner. How do we do that? We use the custom cable. The other side of the custom cable is going to go into the practitioner. Again, there are two tabs on this. One is bigger than the other. The bigger goes towards the top. There's also a switch here. You're going to put it in, quarter turn to the right, you hear a click, it's now in, that's not coming out. We don't want to tug and pull on this. In order to get it out, pull back on the switch, twist to the left, and it comes out nice and easy. So there's no need to pull on that. And now we have the signal going from the music player into the amp, into the sound lounge itself. Now you have two options as to how you can get the signal or the higher frequencies either into the room using the speaker or delivered individually to the person on the practitioner using the headphones. And that we're going to use the other side of the splitter. Inside your headphone box, you're going to notice a cable that is 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. One side is going to get plugged into the open 3.5, the female side of the splitter. And the other one is going to plug into either the speaker to fill the room with ambient sound, turn on the speaker, toggle mode by hitting M until you get to the input for this particular one. There's a radio on here, there's also Bluetooth. Okay, so we want to make sure we're using the hardwired auxiliary input, not the Bluetooth connection. You'll know you're on the Bluetooth connection if you're hearing music that's playing from your phone or your Bluetooth device, not from your input device, and there's no vibration, because the music's going to be going directly in Bluetooth mode. It'll be going straight from your phone to the speaker. It won't be going through the amplifier. That's why we need hardwired from the music player split into the amp and the sound lounge and into the speaker or the headphones. If you want to use the headphones, simply unplug the speaker and plug in the headphones. Now this person is ready to listen to feeling the vibrations through the practitioner and hearing it through the headphones as well. If you have any questions, as always, look for the email support@holistichealthscience.com or contact us anytime at our office using the phone number at the bottom of our website. Lots of love. Thank you.